In recent years, one of the primary focuses of astronomers and space organizations has been on the hunt for exoplanets, which are planets outside of our solar system that could potentially support life. Even though there have been numerous discoveries of extrasolar planets, the question of whether or not any of them are actually livable still persists. The correct response is yes. In point of fact, astronomers have found a number of exoplanets that are thought to be potentially habitable. This means that these planets have the characteristics required to support life as we know it. Gliese 581d was discovered in 2007 and is considered to be one of the earliest exoplanets that had the potential to support life. This planet is found in the habitable zone of its star, which is the region around a star in which temperatures are conducive to the presence of liquid water on the surface of a planet orbiting that star. Because liquid water is an essential component for life as we know it, the finding of Gliese 581d marked an important step in our understanding of the universe. Since then, scientists have found a number of other exoplanets that have the potential to support life. In 2015, the Kepler spacecraft of NASA made the discovery of a planet that was later given the name Kepler 452b. This planet is situated within the habitable zone of its parent star and is thought to be a rocky planet comparable in size to Earth. A group of astronomers made the exciting discovery in 2017 that a star known as TRAPPIST-1 hosts a planetary system with 7 planets roughly the size of Earth. Of these planets, 3 are situated within the star's habitable zone. The discovery of the planetary system known as TOI 700 took place in the early part of the year 2020. It is approximately 100 light-years away from Earth and consists of 3 planets, one of which is thought to have the capability of supporting life. The planet TOI 700d, which has the potential to be habitable, is around the same size as Earth and lies within the habitable zone of the star that it orbits. This indicates that it possesses the circumstances necessary to support the presence of liquid water on its surface, which is an essential component for life as we know it. It is notable that TOI 700d and TOI 700e were found since it is one of the few exoplanets that has been found that is considered to be both the size of Earth and positioned in the habitable zone of its star. The discovery of TOI 700d and TOI 700e is therefore significant. This makes it a good target for future research and observations, during which scientists expect to learn more about the planet's atmosphere and surface as well as seek for evidence of life on the planet. Although it is crucial to highlight that these extrasolar planets have the capability of supporting life, we do not yet know for certain whether or not they do so. Finding indications of life on exoplanets is a difficult endeavor, as it needs the development of new technology and methods for investigating the atmospheres and surfaces of the planets. In spite of these obstacles, scientists are persevering in their hunt for habitable exoplanets and continue their research on the worlds that have already been found. It seems possible that we will continue to make fascinating discoveries in our quest for life outside our solar system because new telescopes and instruments are being produced all the time. In conclusion, although we have not yet found any definitive indicators of life on exoplanets, we have found several that are potentially habitable, which means that they have the circumstances necessary to support life as we know it. However, we have not yet found any exoplanets that have been confirmed to have life on them. If we keep up our efforts in research and exploration, we might one day find out that we are not the only intelligent life in the universe.